Good morning, students. Today we will start with the topic if the given data for an interpolation problem, if the given values of x are not necessarily in equidistance forms. Okay, if the values of x are not in equidistance form and the corresponding argument y are known for some values of x, then we cannot use the previous formula in Newton forward interpolation or Newton backward interpolation formula, as the given data are not in the equidistance form. So we will learn another interpolation formula, which is Lagrange's interpolation formula, to find a value y corresponding to a given x, which is not in the table but in the ranges of x. Okay, so if some value for x1, x2, xn, the corresponding argument are known, y1, y2, yn are known, then to find a value of y at x equals to, let's say, x star, okay, we will use where x1, x2, xn are not in the equidistance space. Okay, so now if we start with x0 and y0, then here n plus 1 independent variable x plus 1 are given and corresponding n plus 1 function values argument are given. So such that f of x0 equals to y0, f of x1 equals to y1, f of x2 equals to y2, and f of xn equals to yn. Okay, so to find y at x equals to x star, the Lagrange's interpolation formula, which will be used only for non-equidistance values of x. The Lagrange's interpolation formula is L of x star, or which will be f of x star approximated to the polynomial L of x star, L of x, which is given as equals to x minus x1 into x minus x1 into x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2 up to x0 minus xn divided by x1 minus x0, x2 minus x0, x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x0 minus x1, x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2 into x0 minus x3 up to x0 minus xn. The formula is not in this form. Okay, sorry, 1 minute. Now for first, it will be written as delta 0 y0 y0, delta 1 y1, delta 2 y2 plus up to delta n yn. Okay, where delta 0 is given. Now when delta 0 will find, so it will be corresponding to x0. So the given value will be x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3, that is x star, okay, up to x star minus xn divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3 up to x0 minus xn. Delta 1 will be then this factor when delta 1 is coming, so we will consider the point x1. Okay, we will find the difference from the x1. So x star minus x0 into x star minus x2, x star minus x3 up to x star minus xn divided by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3 up to x1 minus xn. Okay, delta 2 will be x star minus x0, x star minus x1, x star minus x3 dot 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 x star minus xn divided by differences from x2, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 up to x2 minus xn, similar. Okay, so we have to find delta 0, delta 1, delta 2, delta n, and corresponding multiplication of y0, y1, y2. We will find the given value of y at x equals to x star. Let's set an example. Let's say x and fx are given for some values of x 3, 4, 6, 8. Okay, at 3 the value is 4, at 4 the value is 13, at 6 value is 43, at 8 value is 56. Okay, this is a table is given data. Now we have to find fx at x equals to 5. Okay, so by using the formula L of 5, here given data is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 data is given, so n equals to 3, right? As x0, x1, x2, x3, so n equals to 3. So by interpolation formula, Lx star equals to what? Delta 0 y1 plus delta 2 y2 plus delta 3 y3 plus delta 4 y4, right? Delta 0 equals to, so given x star, this is x star equals to 5. So using this formula, how to calculate? 5 minus x1 which is 4, 5 minus x2 which is 6, 5 minus 8 divided by differences from x0. So 3 minus 4 into 3 minus 6 into 3 minus 8. Okay, this will be delta 0. So 5 minus 4 is 1, 5 minus 6 minus 1, 5 minus 8, 5 minus 8 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 4 minus 1, 3 minus 6 minus 3, 3 minus 8 minus 5. Okay, so here negative, this is positive, so positive, negative, 3 will be cancelled out, so we will be find only 1 by 5. Okay, we will find minus 1 by 5. Delta 1 equals to, now this is from x1, so x star minus x0, this is x1, so 5 minus 3, 5 minus 6, 5 minus 8 divided by the differences from x1, so 4 minus 3, 4 minus 6 and 4 minus 8. Okay, so 5 minus 3 is 2, 5 minus 6 is minus 1, 5 minus 8 is minus 3, divided by 4 minus 3 is 1, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Okay, so 2 will be cancelled out. This is minus 1 plus, this is minus 1 plus. 2 will be cancelled out. We will get 3 by 4. Okay, delta 2 equals to, so this is from x2. This is, so 5 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 8. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 8. And the differences forms x2. 6 minus 3, 6 minus 4 and 6 minus 8. Now this will be 5 minus 3 is 2, 5 minus 4 is minus 1, 5 minus 8 is minus 3, divided by 6 minus 3 is minus 3, 3, 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 minus 8 is minus 2. So this is positive, this is negative. There will be minus, 2 will be cancelled out and 3 will be cancelled out. So remain half. Okay, and delta 4. Delta 4 equals to 5 minus 3, 5 minus 4 and 5 minus 6, divided by, from x2, x4, 8 minus 3, 8 minus 4, 8 minus 6. So 5 minus 3 is 2, 5 minus 4 is minus 1, sorry, only 1, 5 minus 6 is minus 1. 8 minus 3 is 5, 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 6 is 2. So 2 will be cancelled out. There is also negative number. So this is negative, and we will get what, 1 by 20. Okay. Here 5 minus 3 is 2, 5 minus 4, sorry, this will be 1 only, okay, not negative. So this is plus, minus 1 by 20. Okay, so we have find delta 0, delta 1, delta 2, delta 4, and we know y0, y1, y2, y4, y3, y4. Okay, delta 0, sorry, this is delta 3, this will be delta 3, y3, 0, 1, this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So okay, delta 0, delta y1, delta 1, y1, delta 2, y2, delta 3, y3, as n equals to here 3. So delta 0, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 is found. Now we have to use the formula this. Okay, so this is 4, 13, 43, 56. By using the formula, L of 5 equals to delta 0, which is first let's write the number, delta 0 y0, delta 1 y1, delta 2 y2 plus delta 3 y3. So delta 0 is minus 1 by 5. So minus 1 by 5, y0 is 4 into 4 plus delta 1 is 3 by 4, 3 by 4, and delta y1 is 13. So 3 by 4 into 13 plus delta 2 equals to half and y2 equals to 43. So half into 43, and lastly delta 3 is minus 1 by 20, and delta y3 is 56. Okay, so this is the total value. We have to calculate it, and then we will find the required number. 39 by 4 plus 43 by 2 minus 56 by 20. 4 to 20. So total will be 20, right? LCM 20. 5 into 4 minus 16. 4 into 5, 39 into 5. 39 into 5 equals to 195. 43, 10. So 430 minus 56. So 195 plus 430 minus 16 minus 56, which is equals to minus 15 minus 56, which is equals to minus 673. Sorry, what is happening? Sorry, 195 plus 430 minus 16 minus 56, 553. Okay, equals to 553 divided by 20, 27.65. So at x equals to 5, fx will be 27.65, approximated. Okay, not accurate but approximated value is. Okay, so this is the Lagrange's interpolation formula, and the uses, how to use the Lagrange interpolation formula for a given table. Okay, delta 0 y1, delta 1 y1, delta 2 y2, delta 3 y3, and if there is another value given, then delta 4 y4. Delta 0 will be the differences from the given point which you have to record from the given point. Okay, so 5 minus 4, for 0 x0 will be cancelled out, and in the denominator the differences from x0 for the other values. Okay, for delta 1 the differences from x1, the numerator will be the differences from 5, and denominator will be differences from x2. Delta 2 similar way, delta 3 similar way. Okay, and then we will find delta 0, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 and use this formula. We will find the given data. Now also the inverse Lagrange's theorem. Okay, so inverse Lagrange's theorem. This is the same theorem on the normal formula, Lagrange's formula. This is the form. This formula is also same. Here we have to find the value of x at y equals to y star. Okay, so here we have to find at y equals to y star the value of x. Okay, in the previous we have found the value of y at given x equals to x star, but in this case we have to find the value of y, value of x at y equals to y star. Okay, so the formula is same, just in the formula we will just replace the x by y and y by x. Okay, so the value of x at y equals to y star, x equals to delta 0 x0 plus delta 1 x1 plus delta 2 x2 plus delta 3 x3 plus up to delta 4 delta n xn if n arguments are given. Okay, so where delta 0 will be y minus y1, y minus y2, y minus y3 into y minus yn divided by y0 minus y1, y0 minus y2, y0 minus y3 up to y0 minus yn. Similarly, delta 1 equals to y minus y0, cancel out, y minus y1 will be cancelled out, y minus y0, y minus y1, y minus y2 as delta 1, y minus y3 y minus y4 up to y minus yn divided by y1 minus y0, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3 up to y minus y1 minus yn. Delta 2 will be y minus y0, y minus y1, y minus y3 up to y minus yn divided by y2 minus y0, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y3 up to y2 minus yn. Similarly, okay. So just formula is same. Just in the previous formula, we just replace x by y, y by x. Okay, x and y will be interchanged. Then we will find the given value of x at y equals to y star. Okay, and this y, when we use the formula, this will be the y star. Okay. This is the desired value which is given, and the denominator, the differences from the desired given point. Okay, this is it. Just I have given an example, just try it at home. Example x y. Okay, x is given 10, 12, 16, and corresponding y is 25, 32, 50. 25, 32, 50. Where we have to find the value of x, find value of x at y equals to 40. Okay, so here we have to find value of x at y equals to 40, and the given data are not in the equispaced form. We will use the Lagrange inverse interpolation formula. Okay, try it at home. Required value will be 13.982. Okay, try it. So that's it for today, and with this the total syllabus is covered. Okay, if anyone has any problem, you can ask through your shares. I will definitely try to solve it. Okay, thank you.